Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Squad Chats. I'm Jake.
And I'm Maria. Thanks for joining us today.
So, Maria, do you like traveling?
I love it. There's nothing better than exploring new places.
Same here, but you know what? The airport part can be a little stressful.
Oh, absolutely. Especially if you're traveling in a country where you don't speak the language very well.
Exactly. And even if you speak English, airport vocabulary can be confusing.
Yeah, there are so many specific words and phrases, like what's a boarding pass? What does gate mean?
Right. So today, we're going to help you feel confident at the airport.
We're going to practice the whole process, from checking in to going through security.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say and what to expect.
And trust me, once you know these phrases, airports become much less scary.
So, grab your imaginary passport.
And let's go to the airport.
When was your last flight, Maria?
About 3 months ago, I went to visit my family in California.
Oh, nice. How was the flight?
It was good. The airport was pretty crowded, but everything went smoothly.
That's the best feeling, right? When everything goes smoothly?
Definitely. Okay, let's start.
All right, so imagine you're going on a trip. You've booked your flight, you've packed your bags, and now you're at the airport.
The first thing you need to do is check in.
Check in means you tell the airline that you're here and ready for your flight.
Some people check in online before they even get to the airport. You can do it on your phone or computer.
Yeah, that's usually 24 hours before your flight, and it saves time.
But today, let's practice checking in at the airport counter. That's where you talk to a real person.
The counter is the desk where the airline employees work.
So you arrive at the airport and you look for your airline, like Delta or United or American Airlines.
You'll see signs with the airline names. Follow those signs to find the right check-in counter.
And there will probably be a line. You wait in line until it's your turn.
When it's your turn, you walk up to the counter with your passport and your ticket confirmation.
Your ticket confirmation can be a printed paper or just on your phone. It has your flight number and booking reference.
Okay, let's practice. Maria, you be the airline agent.
Okay, in a professional voice. Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Tokyo.
Great. May I see your passport and ticket confirmation, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. Are you checking any bags today?
Ooh, good question. So checking bags means you give your big suitcase to the airline. They put it on the plane for you.
Let's continue. So the agent asks about your bags.
Yes, I have one suitcase to check, please.
Perfect. Please place it on the scale.
The scale is the thing that weighs your bag. Airlines have weight limits.
Usually 50 pounds or 23 kilograms for checked bags.
If your bag is too heavy, you might have to pay extra money.
Or you can take some things out and put them in your carry-on.
I've done that before, standing at the airport reorganizing my luggage.
We all have. Okay, so your bag is on the scale. The agent says,
Your bag is 45 pounds, that's fine. Here's your baggage claim ticket. Keep this safe. You'll need it to get your bag when you land.
the baggage claim ticket is a small sticker or paper with a number. It matches the tag they put on your suitcase.
Don't lose it. You need it to prove the bag is yours.
Right, so the agent continues.
And would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat is next to the window. You can look outside.
An aisle seat is next to the walkway. It's easier to get up and use the bathroom.
Some people also say aisle like aisle, A-I-S-L-E.
What do you prefer, Maria?
I always choose the window seat. I love watching the clouds and the view.
I'm an aisle person. I like having more space and easy access to the bathroom.
Fair enough. So you tell the agent your preference. Window seat, please, or aisle seat, please.
And if you don't care, you can say either is fine or no preference.
Then the agent gives you your boarding pass.
The boarding pass is super important. It's your ticket to get on the plane.
It shows your seat number, your gate number, and your boarding time.
Don't lose this. You need it at security and at the gate.
The agent will say something like, here's your boarding pass. You're in seat 24A. Your flight departs from gate B12 at 3:45 p.m. Boarding begins at 3:15.
And you should say, thank you. What time should I be at the gate?
Usually, they recommend arriving at your gate at least 30 minutes before departure.
But honestly, I like to be there earlier, especially if it's a big airport.
Me too. Better safe than sorry.
Okay, so now you have your boarding pass. What's next?
Security.
Yeah, security can be a little intimidating.
But it's necessary for safety, and if you know what to expect, it's not bad at all.
So you follow the signs that say security or TSA checkpoint.
TSA stands for Transportation Security Administration. They're the security officers in American airports.
When you get to security, there's another line. You wait your turn again.
And while you're waiting, start preparing.
Yes, take out your boarding pass and your ID or passport.
You'll need to show these to the security officer
Also, start thinking about what's in your pockets and your bag.
because you'll need to take some things out.
Okay, so it's your turn. You walk up to the officer and hand them your boarding pass and passport.
Let's practice. Jake, you be the security officer.
All right, in a serious but polite voice. Boarding pass and ID, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Proceed to the screening area.
Screening area is where they check your bags and make sure you're not carrying anything dangerous.
Right, so you go to the area with the conveyor belts and the x-ray machines.
Now you need to put your things in the plastic bins.
The bins are those gray or blue containers.
Here's what you need to take out and put in separate bins.
Number 1, your laptop or tablet. Take it out of your bag.
Number 2, liquids. If you have any liquids, gels, or creams, they must be in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, and they must be in a clear plastic bag.
So like your shampoo, toothpaste, hand sanitizer, all in small bottles, all in one clear bag.
Number 3, your shoes. Usually you have to take them off.
Unless you have TSA pre-check, that's a special program where you don't have to take off your shoes.
But most people take them off, so put your shoes in a bin.
Number 4, your belt, jacket, hat, anything metal or bulky.
And empty your pockets. Take out your phone, wallet, keys, coins, everything.
Put all of that in a bin too.
Your bag goes on the conveyor belt, and all the bins go on the belt too.
Then the belt carries everything through the x-ray machine so they can see what's inside.
And while your stuff is going through the machine, you walk through the metal detector or the body scanner.
The security officer will tell you what to do. They might say, "Step forward, please," or "Raise your arms."
Just follow their instructions.
If the machine beeps, don't panic. It might be a forgotten coin or belt buckle.
They might pat you down. That means they touch you lightly to check for anything suspicious. It's normal.
Once you're clear, you collect your things on the other side.
Grab your bins, put your laptop back in your bag, put your shoes back on.
And make sure you have everything. Don't forget your phone or wallet.
I always do a quick check. Phone, wallet, passport, boarding pass.
Good system. Okay, so now you're through security. You're in the secure area.
This is where all the gates are, and the shops and restaurants.
Now you look at your boarding pass to see which gate you need.
Let's say your boarding pass says gate B12. You follow the signs to the B gates.
Airports usually have different terminals or sections, like Terminal A, Terminal B, Terminal C.
Sometimes you have to walk a long way or even take a train to get to your gate.
So give yourself plenty of time.
When you find your gate, check the screen to make sure it's the right flight.
The screen shows the flight number, destination, departure time, and boarding time.
If everything looks good, you can relax. Sit down, get a coffee, use the bathroom.
Just make sure you're listening for announcements about your flight.
They'll announce when boarding begins. Usually they say something like, "Now boarding Flight 237 to Tokyo will begin with passengers in rows 30 and higher."
They board in groups. First class and priority passengers go first, then everyone else.
When they call your row number, you line up with your boarding pass ready.
You scan your boarding pass at the gate, and then you walk down the jet bridge to the plane.
The jet bridge is that tunnel thing that connects the gate to the plane.
And once you're on the plane, you find your seat, put your carry-on in the overhead bin, and buckle your seatbelt.
And then you're ready to fly.
See,
Not so scary.
No, and once you know the vocabulary and the process, it's actually pretty simple.
Okay, Maria, what's your best airport tip?
I'd say arrive early. Give yourself at least 2 hours for domestic flights and 3 hours for international flights.
That's great advice. Better to wait at the gate than to rush and stress.
What about you? What's your top tip?
I always pack my liquids in my checked bag if I can. That way I don't have to worry about the 3.4-ounce rule.
Ooh, smart. That saves time at security.
Yeah, and wear shoes that are easy to take off and put back on.
Yes, don't wear boots with a million laces.
Exactly. Slip-on shoes are your best friend at the airport.
Okay, let's do a quick vocabulary review before we go.
Great idea. So, check-in means
You tell the airline you're here and ready for your flight.
boarding pass is
Your ticket to get on the plane. It shows your seat and gate number.
carry-on is
A small bag you bring on the plane with you.
checked bag is
A larger suitcase that goes under the plane.
gate is
The area where you wait to board your flight.
security or TSA is
The checkpoint where they check your bags for safety.
perfect. And remember, if you don't understand something, it's okay to ask.
Yes, you can say, "Excuse me, could you repeat that?" Or, "I'm sorry, I don't understand."
Airport staff deal with people from all over the world. They're used to helping people who are learning English.
So don't be shy, just do your best.
And the more you travel, the easier it gets.
Absolutely. Every trip is practice.
All right, everyone. We hope this helps you feel more confident at the airport.
If you're planning a trip soon, good luck. You've got this.
And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to Speak Squad Chats for more English conversation practice.
We have lots more travel English videos coming soon.
Next time, maybe we'll talk about what to say on the airplane.
Ooh, good idea. Talking to flight attendants, asking for things,
Perfect. Okay, everyone, safe travels.
and happy learning.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.